I pause for a moment. The world slows down around me, not because everything stopped, but because I'm finally listening to myself again. I take a slow breath in. Cool air moves gently through my chest, and when I exhale, my body softens. Something inside me begins to settle. For a long time, I felt like life was moving somewhere ahead, and I was trying to catch up. But right now, something deeper inside me whispers a different truth. My life has not left me. It has been waiting for me to return. I close my eyes for a moment, and I imagine standing in a quiet, beautiful morning. Soft light fills the space around me. The air smells fresh, like the beginning of a new day. There is calm here, real calm, not emptiness, but peace. I feel the ground under my feet, stable, supportive, almost as if the world itself is holding me. I take another slow breath, and as I breathe in, I begin to feel something warm forming inside my chest. A gentle light, soft, alive. It begins to grow slowly, not rushing, not forcing, just expanding naturally through my heart, through my ribs, through my shoulders. My body feels lighter. I feel tiny sensations on my skin, like warmth spreading quietly from within. This light is not coming from outside. It has always been here, waiting for me to notice it, waiting for me to allow it. I open my eyes in this imagined space, and I see a path in front of me, calm, open, beautiful, not overwhelming. Just the next step. And I suddenly understand something that changed how I feel about my life. I don't need to fix anything today. I don't need to fix everything today. Life is already moving toward me. I begin walking slowly. Each step feels grounded, natural, supported. The light inside my chest grows stronger with every step, and something shifts inside my mind. Instead of feeling late, I begin to feel aligned. as if my life is gently rearranging itself, as if doors are quietly opening somewhere ahead. I feel warmth on my face, sunlight touching my skin. I can almost feel the gentle breeze around me. Life is not closed for me. Life is responding to me. I place my hand over my heart again. The warmth is stronger now, steady, alive, faithful. And I softly say, my life is beginning again. My life is beginning again. My life is beginning again. I am guided. I am supported. Beautiful things are coming toward me now. I feel a calm confidence rising in my body. Not loud, but deep. The kind that makes my breathing slower. The kind that makes my future feel possible again. And I realized something very important. My timeline did not disappear. It was preparing me. And now I am stepping into the next part of my life. I take another breath, and this time I feel gratitude for my heart, for this moment, for the quiet strength inside me. I stand there for a moment longer in this peaceful morning. The light inside me continues glowing, warm, stable, real. And I know I can return to this feeling anytime, because it lives within me. It lives within me. Today, do one small thing that belongs to your new life. Clean a small space. Write one idea. Go outside and walk slowly. Drink water and thank your body. These small steps tell life, I am ready, and life begins to move. Your life is not over. It is restarting now. Stay here for a moment. Let this state settle into your body. Carry it with you. Within, the light is already yours.